Adikarya Company, through the Energy and Industrial Department, collaborated with Wuhan Engineering Company in building the Pusrai 3B project at Pupuk Sriwijaya, Palembang, which will start in 2023. This factory will produce ammonia fertilizer with a capacity of 1,350 mtpd and urea 2,750 mtpde, which will operate in Palembang, South Sumatra. Pusrai 3B project implemented real-time monitoring document from Autodesk Construction Cloud, with more than 20,000 documents that will be submitted to Autodesk Construction Cloud, consisting of drawing, technical specification, datasheet, calculation, study report, MTO or BOQ, letter, IOM, etc. Of all documents that have been submitted in BIM 360, the data will be recorded and can be easily extracted with schedule data extraction from Autodesk Construction Cloud. From the data extraction schedule, business intelligence tools or Power BI can read the extraction data directly with Autodesk Construction Cloud, with data extraction results with detailed information, providing flexibility to process and create data visualizations on business intelligence tools. The results of dashboards that have been created on the business intelligence tool can be published and shared with specific users on Insight BIM 360 Autodesk Construction Cloud. Start on the Progress dashboard, where all team members can see overall progress with actual and planned submission documents, disciplinary progress, and table document with easy access link to view the document. On the Timeline dashboard, from here, users can track document milestone, find out the status of the document over time, see the first delivery point, see the last status of the document, easy access document preview link, and advanced filter to search specific documents. On the dashboard status document, from here, users can see status updates for all documents that have been sent at the last time, and also status of pending and overdue documents, can filter by discipline or more filter, and view document with document link. On the monitoring area dashboard, here users can see the percentage of document submission from each building, with color range indicators ranging from 0 until 100%. So from here, users can find out the progress of the location of each building along with the document requirements, as well as detailed document status with link to preview of documents. To ensure that the data is automatically updated in real time, the Business Intelligence tool can customize a refresh schedule at any time to automatically import data from BIM 360 data into the dashboard. It would be great if real-time data monitoring could be combined with real-time rendering. From interactive visualization will make more powerful with real-time information of delivery and status documents from Autodesk Construction Cloud. On the information screen, user can see the status of the document with progress and detail of document from selection building with easy access link to view the document, and still can overview with powerful features from BIM 360 document preview, and can navigate detailed drawing document previews along with real-time 3D rendering visualizations. On the interactive visualization can open the monitoring in real time. Start of overall progress for actual and planning submission of document. Discipline Progress Dashboard, Timeline Document Dashboard, Document Status Dashboard, and all with link to view document from BIM 360. With Autodesk Construction Cloud and interactive data visualization, provide faster deep information and analysis for understand construction plan with more effectively, delivery of documents with more easily, with auto record delivery document data. No more manual recording. Paperless, improves productivity, speeds up the approval process, more easy access, best system document management with real-time project insights. And all that is the power of Pusrai 3B projects with cloud-based solutions for large-scale projects. And everything is real-time for the next level of data visualization.